fuck was
See,
that?
what did I say?
Oh man.
Alright, let's see Volt's thing showcase.
I hope your shit's.
Shit better
I
not be fucking there, bro.
hope you have full standing. Oh man.
That shit looks mid as fuck.
No, it does not.
Let it
Let it
cook, bro.
go.
Hold up, hold up.
Why are you running?
Takes
Why
away
are
a
you? Why are you running like
Yeah.
that?
Wait, what's it? Wait, you have a crit?
Why do you have the old type soul run?
That's my
Oh, that's
crit.
cool.
Oh, that's your crit?
Wait, that's a
Oh,
crit?
wait.
Wait, what are your M1?
Oh, nah.
Oh my.
Holy shit, I might have to
Oh
cop
my
that.
god.
What
What
the fuck?
type of brain did that shit? Wait, the bullet is so good.
This is not legendary tier.
God!
What?
Oh my.
What
Wait,
the?
what are your M1s?
fuck?
Did your M1s change?
Oh my.
Yeah.
It's.
Oh, it's the second one.
Oh my.
It's the second. Oh, what the hell?
Wait, show your crit again. Show your crit again.
Yo, pop this shit in Clan Wars. We're never losing a game.
Holy shit, I'm
wait,
actually
wait.
going reroll for that right now. Fuck Demon Hunter, bro.
Wait, is that range at once or something?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm telling you,
What the
pop this shit in Clan Wars. Every single
Not
game
that really,
Cascade. Easy, we win
Bro, the
every
cooldown is
single
new,
match.
bro. Oh no, wait, never mind.
Wait, are those landmines? What the fuck?
Yo, this is so
Oh
Type Soul
my
is so
God.
good.
Dude's about to be
my
the
God.
TKing machine.
What the fuck?